Do you love the lift of a winged eyeliner but you can't do it on yourself because you have a hooded eye? Then you have to try out my smoky winged eyeliner look. I promise it's going to give you the same effect and also work really well on your eye shape. I'm going to start with the Rene Midnight Kohl Pencil. This is a black kohl pencil, and the reason I'm using this is because it's smudge proof and it's also going to last like completely all day on you, plus it's extremely pigmented. So just create the most tiniest wing at that angle, just that amount of length. You do not want to create that whole long length initially itself. You'll see as it keeps going along when you work it through. So just create that correctly in the outer corner, keep it as small as thin as possible, then quickly just kind of lift your eyebrow. That way you can get as close as possible to your lash line and create these really small tiny strokes. That way it looks like an eyeliner when your eyes are open. And the reason that I'm doing this as thin as possible is because when you have a hooded eye, there is not a lot of eyelid space going on. So we're trying to keep the definition but also making it as thin as possible. So go as close as possible towards your lash line. And then I'm going to use a pack brush, and all the products are linked for you in the description bar below along with the links. They're extremely affordable and they're also easily accessible too. So we're going to go ahead and start softly smudging this. Just ensure that you're keeping the inner area as neat as possible, because that is the area where we want the tiniest amount of smoke, but we want to retain the definition. So just slightly just create a little bit of shadow in that area and work more in the outer corner for the smokiness. So we're just going to start, and at every single time you're blending it, make sure you're going at a tilted angle and do not pull it downwards. If it goes a little down, that's fine, but try to create that shape and try to keep that V shape as you're going along with this process. And if you want to add more of smokiness and thickness, focus it only on the outer V. We're going to jump into the Swiss Beauty's Awaken eyeshadow palette. We're using a more warm toned palette because I want the look to look a little more warmer instead of grey, because we're trying to pull our eyes upwards and outwards and add more focus and definition on the eye. So I'm going to apply this correctly in the outer crease and keep opening your eyes and checking whether the color is seen when your eyes are open, and start taking it slightly higher if it's not. Now just go ahead and softly start to pull that towards the black area which we have blended it out. And when you feel like your brush is almost like out of any color, start to flick that outwards at the same angle as your wing. Do not pull it down, do not take it way too high. We want to keep the color as close as possible to the wing, because we're not trying to give like the entire crease definition. We're only trying to blend the eyeliner out at this point. So that you're going to do that, and after that we're going to just take a tiny amount of color and just start blending that into the crease. Not any extra amount of color, just dragging whatever is there on the eye all the way around. And we're going to do the same thing and just work a little bit on the blending. It'll just give you a good amount of color all across the crease. I'll just take the darker brown in the palette, and this is going to be your sandwich color between the light brown and the black. And this is going to help to keep the blending look a little more smoother. And make sure that once you finish this, that entire kajal area is in the shape of a parallelogram. And if you get that right, it's going to look perfect with that lift going on. Now, if you want a little more of color, add some more kajal and then just go ahead and smoke it out. So moving on to the Lakme Absolute Instant Airbrush Concealer Pen. This is one of my most favorite concealers. It has an amazing formulation. It's very creamy. It also dries completely matte. Plus it comes with a beautiful brush. So you can see how I can just clean that out, and it's just perfect to do it on a day-to-day basis. It's perfect if you want to do it on a quick basis. You don't need a brush as well as a concealer wand. And it also gives you that quite precise, crisp line. So just go ahead, apply it with the brush itself, slightly blend it out with your finger. And I'm going to create a little bit of like brightness on the lid by using the same concealer, just a little on the bullet of the eye and on the inner part. That way that opens up and then the outer area is completely dark. So it's going to give you that good light and dark contrast when you're doing your look. Plus, it's also going to keep it more daytime friendly and keep it more wearable on a day-to-day basis. So we're going to finish off with the Maybelline Lash Sensational Sky High Mascara. Do a good 2 coats of mascara. I'm using this one because I want a little more of length and I don't want my lashes to feel very heavy, which is why I'm going in with this formulation. Very lightweight and very comfortable feeling. Plus, it's also waterproof. I think that just makes it perfect, especially in the summer, in the heat, and even if there's any kind of oiliness which comes through, the mascara will not budge. So I'm just going to go ahead, create a good amount of depth and good amount of thickness all across the lashes, coat it really well. And then I'm going to jump in with some false lashes. We're going to use the pack false lashes. So we're going to go ahead and secure this on the lid. So you can create different variations with shimmers or mattes with this look, and I just wanted to focus on teaching you how to create that pulled out effect without creating a wing, and also creating that beautiful lifted winged eyeliner, but like a smoky winged eyeliner effect. This is just perfect for every day. It's just very, very wearable, and it's also ideal, especially if you have a lot of wrinkles in the outer corner and you struggle with your wings. So this is going to give you that lift and the same look, but with just a different way of doing it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and stay tuned for more. All the products are linked for you in the description bar below, so check those out, and I'll see you guys for another one. Until next time, bye bye.